Stop wasting precious time manually creating purchase agreements and discover the express lane to closing deals. First, log into your Docusign account, then click the New button. This is where your agreement journey begins. Next, select Use a Template. This is where your pre-designed wholesale purchase agreement template lives, ready to be populated. Now choose your pre-made wholesale purchase agreement template. If you don't have one yet, consider creating one and save time. These templates should have fillable fields for property address, beer and seller information, and purchase price. Start filling in the blanks. Enter the property address, the seller's information, your beer's information, the agreed upon purchase price, and any other required information. Double-check all the information is correct. Click the Send button and specify your signing order first. Send the document to the seller for their signature, then to your beer. Docusign will then automatically route the agreement to all parties for their electronic signatures. Once fully executed, Docusign provides a legally binding and easily accessible record of your agreement, ready for closing. Now you have a purchase agreement.